That's how I feel about that. Oh, she's flashing. She's gonna die on me. I gotta get this video done. That means I gotta start the dang thing. What is that red fluid there? That's ATF. You're wondering why am I showing you that to start this video off? Well, I'll show you why. Steering rack is now officially reinstalled into the engine compartment. I had to drop it and reroute the lines on the bottom because I had the high power switch with the low power. Does not meld well. Does not do well. Okay, it rips the wheel out of your hand and only goes one direction and bounces. Be careful not to do that mistake like I myself did. Over here we have a fuel leak on this end. This injector right here is leaking for sure. I'm gonna get you under there. You can see that there's a lot of like fluid and stuff on the back side over here. I don't know why it feels like oil. Oh my god, this thing is the consistency, but I can't smell it. That's the problem. That's the problem. But apparently that's fuel, and I'm pretty sure it's coming out of here. I got it on Instagram where you can see it's kind of wet right here. I'm pretty sure that's the one it's leaking from. Like it's getting wet. Come on. It looks like it's coming from like the intake manifold, to be honest with you. Not even just the injector, but that's probably because it's dripping down onto it. Right? Ah, damn, this light's blowing me right now. Yeah, there we go. That's a good shot. God, this light's killing me. But you can see it's flowing out of there. Awesome. All right, you're done. We get it. We get it. I figured out what that leak was. I just needed to show you because I didn't see it before. I've been looking, I'm like, why does it feel oily? I can't smell it, and the reason why I can't smell it is because I lost my sense of smell earlier this year for the most part from the vid. It's starting, like, it stinks bad in here, but damn, I can't put I can't smell fuel, I can't smell oil, I can't smell brake fluid, I can't smell coolant, I can't smell ATF, can't smell transmission fluid, can't smell weed. It's actually really unfortunate. But yeah, we have the car started. That's the most thankful thing I am for. But started, we have to deal with that, fix that. Now I got to deal with this injector seal. We'll fix that, and then from there I need to fix. I don't know if you noticed the idle is kind of crazy. It's because this thing right here is stuck open. It's like cracked because this fucking cable is so long. I got to get the right cable, so I'll report back to you with that. And I got to get this plugged, and I got to get silicone hoses. Okay, those are just my engine bay stuff that I know that I have to do before even thinking about getting it on the road for a tune. Well, it'll be dyno tuned. I haven't Prime do the tune, so Junior's gonna send a base map later this week. But in the meantime, those need to be fixed regardless. From there, we go into the actual interior, and you can see that the cluster has the high beam indicator light is lit up. I don't know, I'm still diagnosing that one. I've also found that the mirror switch for adjustments, the harness wasn't in here, so I gotta find out where that is. The car's coming together. Bodywork is very limited on what I have to actually do. More of, I'm just concerned with the space I'm doing it in, so I'm kind of avoiding getting to that point because I'd prefer to like actually do this in a booth. So if anyone out there in Arizona has a place for me to shoot this bitch, hook me up, because so far I am not excited to shoot this in this dirty ass garage. Dusty. It's more the dust than anything. I'll have to get all the trip hazards out of the way and probably put a line of plastic on every wall, honestly, and make a wall and a fan and a box, and it's just a lot of time that I don't want to spend on that. While I also have to continue getting this car running and ready for my move, and I need to get this car back used and prep for it. So the paint's got to be done, tune's got to be done, it's got to be ready for a tune. So base map's fine, so that it can get on and off the truck, but I need it to be ready for the tune because when I get out there, I just need to be ready for it to go. I need it to drive. I need to be able to get around. So got a lot I'm working on. If you have any feedback or any help, you have any comments in mind? Maybe you have some kind of idea of what's going on with my cluster. You ran into the same issue yourself. I do have to get the wipers on eventually as well. This is going to be a battle. That's for sure going to be a battle. This 100% is annoying. I fought with it before. I've given up, and it's won a valiant fight so far, but all kinds of gems all over around this car that I'm coming back to. Well, yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time. Forward like third of the way through the rest of the day, and you come to now where I've got some concrete information, and we're working through some of these issues. And I found, well, not I found, Brian, my wires found, he actually got back to me. I sent him some pictures and videos over to him on Friday evening, and he was looking at the cluster wiring, and the cluster wiring appears to be from Forester. Why this might be important and whatnot is because, well, that Forester cluster wiring is pinned differently, so that's why I'm having these issues. I need to get the RS cluster wire to figure that out. Now the funny thing is that I totally forgot that I definitely swapped those cluster harnesses out because I think I left the cluster harness in the sedan. It's coming down to the wire. I've got to make this happen. Whether or not I make it happen, I guess you'll see, but make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Oh, shit.
Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm fired in a fucking ostrich. On my way, that bitch won't give me polish. I'ma put my foot up in his socket. Who's this? He should be in cockpit. Cause I'm fired in a fucking ostrich. On my way, that bitch won't give me polish. I am constructor, that bitch I demolish. Hey!